What's up, my good people? Welcome back. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating to you how you can be able to copy files from your PC direct to your hard drive or pen drive or USB drive. Let's try it out. So I'll just open my file explorer where I have saved those files. And this is the drive where we'll be saving those files. We'll be saving them on this USB drive F. You can see the USB drive F. You can actually mark it. So the files that I'll be copying to my drive, and this is for I'm doing this for Windows 11. That is on Windows 10. The method that I'm going to use on Windows 10 is a bit different. So in Windows 11, when you are copying files from that is from your PC to the drive, so all you need to do, for example, I want to copy this video. It's I have named this drive 1 onto my PC, onto my hard drive or USB drive or the pen drive, whichever you have. So I just need to right click, and after you right click, you need to click this button here, show more. And when you select show more, you can see down here we have what you call send to. So after you need to take your cursor where you have send to, then we're gonna have these options populate, and you can select the drive where you want to send those files. Earlier I had said we will be sending to USB drive F, so I just need to click USB drive F, and those files and this video has been copied to that folder, not to that drive. So I can also send this video. So I just need to right click and go to show more. Then we have send. Take your cursor to send, then move right, move left, then scroll down where you have that is USB drive and click, just single click, and that video will be sent to that is USB drive F. Then for example, let's say if I want to, there is an alternative in case you are using Windows 10 or other versions of the Windows. If you are not using Windows 11, there's an alternative. All you need to do is just right click. There's an alternative. Actually, you can in Windows 11, this is how you do it. Then I'm also going to demonstrate how you can do in Windows 10. So you just need to right click. There's an alternative. You just need to right click and select and click this icon here. It's a copy icon, so just click copy. Then you need to go and open the drive where you want to save that file. So just double click. We are going to save in USB drive F. Then right click and click here paste, and click paste, and you can see the file has already been pasted, and you can see it has already updated. In case you are using Windows 10, this is how you can actually be able to do it. So I can just copy this one. So just click, then right click. In Windows 11, it's more advanced. You can see we have these features, but in case when you right click on Windows 11 in Windows 10, instead of getting these features, you should have this is what you get. If you right click, you get this. You don't get what we had in the first case. So in Windows 10, you can just select, you can also select send and send to USB drive in USB drive F, or you can just select copy here. You can see this copy button, so just click copy, then go to the drive where you want to save those files. I can just go to my USB drive and right click, then you can select this. So in case you are using Windows 11, you can just click this one to paste. In case you are using Windows 10, after you right click, you should have this. Pop out onto your screen. So you just need to select paste, and it will automatically paste onto your screen. So depending on the Windows that you are using, Windows 11 is more advanced. It has more features compared to Windows 10, so it might be a bit complex, and you may be wondering, you may not understand actually what is happening, but it is easier to understand also. So that is how simple you can be able to copy files from your PC, that is to your USB drive or hard drive or even the pen drive. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. In case you have any question, just leave it in the comment section and we'll give you a reply. And if the situation demands so, we can also create another video to solve to provide solution for your question. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.